I pinky swear.
Oh, I hold the spoon.
Yeah, and eat it.
And eat it.
No! Do it! Ali! I swear to God!
No. All you do is eat the cinnamon.
Yeah, eat it. Are you sure that's cinnamon?
Yes, you idiot.
It's cinnamon, yeah?
Ali, just eat
it!
It's so cool. What
I
happened?
swear. Eat it.
What's gonna happen?
Nothing!
It's so cool.
Eat! It's the cinnamon challenge. Come on.
Try and swallow.
Try and swallow it. At least swallow it. Oh my God!
Ali, here, we got water for you.
Lisa, drink. Spit out. Spit out. Alicia,
Drink
spit
water
out.
and spit it.
Oh.
Well done.
It's okay, you have to drink the water.
Drink it and spit it out.
Drink and spit it. Ali, drink and spit it.
Paul's getting scared now. Ali, what does it taste like?
It's bad. But if I puke, I'm gonna start crying and I won't stop puking. Sorry.
Smells a stupid cinnamon.
Get her a different water. Get her a different water, quick. It's okay.
Come back!